Today I was out with Phil from Makita as he was showing off their brand new 36-volt rotary hammers.
The two models we have today are the DHR282 and the 283. The only difference between the two units is the 283 comes with the additional keyless chuck. These rotaries run at 0 to 900 RPM with variable speed on the trigger as well as on a dial. They're putting out 5,000 blows per minute at 2.7 joules of impact power. Both come equipped with AFT, active feedback sensing technology. So when the bit jams, the machine will shut down straight away. These units come equipped with AVT, anti-vibration technology. Internally, we have a counterbalance weight, as well as anti-vibration handle on the front and anti-vibration handle on the rear. With the anti-vibration technology, both of these units just put out 9 meters squared of vibration. So you can use these for 2.5 hours straight without a break. Both of the tools are equipped with LED lights in the front, and you've also got 3 different modes. So we have normal drilling, rotary hammer drilling, all the way around to chiseling, and then you also have your neutral mode. While we have it in neutral mode, it's easier to rotate the chisel, find the position you need, and then lock it in. Maximum capacity 28 mil with an optimum capacity of 18 millimeter. Whether you like chiseling or you've got some dynabolts to fit, break through with a Makita 36 volt 18x2 brushless rotary hammer.
Thanks, Phil. If you've got any questions at all about the brand new 36-volt rotary hammers from Makita, hit me up in that comment section below, and until next time, I'm Tim, you're watching City Tools TV.